Many of the birds we see on a daily basis are very quite little, with some of them weighing only a few grams. However, some bird species are shockingly enormous, reaching heights that exceed even the tallest humans. In today's list, we are going to take a look at some of them, so let's begin. The wandering albatross has the greatest wingspan of any bird, ranging from 8.3 to 11 feet. This huge, gorgeous bird is native to the Pacific Ocean's southern and northern regions. There are 24 different albatross species in all. The wandering albatross is the largest of the family, weighing up to 12 kilograms. Small fish and squids form the main part of the diet of albatrosses, and they also consume a large amount of salt water. Albatross spend the majority of their time gliding in the ocean winds and floating on the water surface. In fact, they are extremely rare on land. Wandering albatross come together in colonies on distant islands during mating season. After mating, they only produce one egg. Young albatross take their first flight in a few months. The mute swan is a huge water bird that can reach 5 feet in length and weighs between 12 and 13 kilograms. They're only found in Europe. The charming ass-neck mute swans have an 8-foot wingspan. They eat aquatic vegetation, insects, and tiny fish. The large neck aids mute swans in efficiently locating food beneath the water surface. Swans are intelligent, but if they have to fight, they can be a handful. Surprisingly, they can recall who looks after them. During the breeding season, swans will attack and bite anyone who threatens them. Swans look after their nests, youngs, and eggs with great care. After mating, they normally lay 5 or 6 eggs. The Dalmatian pelican is one of the world's heaviest flying birds. They're originally from Europe and South Asia. The big bird can reach 6 feet in length and weighs between 12 and 14 kilograms. An adult Dalmatian pelican can have a wingspan of up to 9 feet. The bills of Dalmatian pelicans can be up to 18 inches long, the second largest in the world. The first place goes to the Australian pelican. Dalmatian pelicans mainly eat fish, and they consume up to 2 kilograms of fish per day. Catfish, eels, and European perch are among the food eaten by Dalmatian pelicans. The Andean Condor is a huge bird that may be found in the Andes Mountains and along the beaches of South America. They can grow to be 1.2 meters tall and weigh up to 15 kilos. The Andean Condor's massive wingspan of 10 feet truly represents its massive size. Even with their huge bulk and large wingspan, they are able to fly. Andean condors feed on the carcasses of other animals, including both domesticated and wild animals. Dead seals and seafood from the coast are other favorites of Andean condors. They have even been known to raid other birds' nests in search of eggs. The lifespan of this endangered vulture is 75 years. The Cory bustard can weigh up to 20 kilograms and native to Africa. The male Cory bustard weighs twice as much as the female. This 4 feet long bird has a 9 feet wide wingspan. The major meal of the Cory bustard is insects. Lizards, snakes, nuts, and berries are also part of their diet. The Cory bustard, unlike other birds, drinks water by sucking. Cory bustard spends the majority of its time on land, looking for insects in grasslands. The flightless great rhea is South America's largest bird. They have a body length of 4.1 to 4.5 feet and can weigh up to 27 kilograms. Great rheas have enormous wings that are useless for flight. They do, however, employ their large wings to keep their bodies balanced while traveling. They can also change direction while sprinting because of the wings. Greater rheas can be found primarily in grasslands and marshes. Insects, lizards, and tiny birds make up their food. A bigger rhea, like an ostrich, has powerful long legs that it uses to protect itself when threatened. Females lay eggs in a single nest, and a single nest can contain more than 50 eggs. Emperor penguins are the world's tallest and heaviest penguins. They can only be found in Antarctica. Emperor penguins can grow to be 45 inches tall and weigh 45 kilograms. They can dive to a depth of 1,500 feet and travel up to 80 kilometers in quest of food. Emperor penguins eat mostly fish, squids, and krill. Male emperor penguins look after females' newly placed eggs. Male penguins do not eat for more than 2 months during this time. During the season, female penguins are out in the open oceans looking for food. Female penguins collect food in their bellies and bring it back to the kids after they have hatched. The emu is Australia's largest flightless bird. They can reach a height of 6 feet and weigh up to 60 kilograms. They can be found in Australia's savannas, woods, and other forest regions. Plants, seeds, fruits, lizards, and other insects are all eaten by emus. Emus, interestingly, ingest pebbles to grill the food they eat. Emus' lengthy legs allow them to reach a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour. During the summer, emus establish pairs and breed during the cooler months. They lay dark green eggs that can weigh up to a pound. The average emu nest holds 8 to 10 eggs. The southern cassowary is the world's second biggest bird, native to the tropical rainforests of Indonesia and Australia. Cassowaries are one of the only 2 species of birds known to kill a man. This enormous dark flightless bird stands 5.1 feet tall and weighs 75 to 80 kilograms. Their bills can also be up to 7.5 inches long. The cassowary's 3-toe legs are strong and thick. Cassowaries are unable to fly but can run at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. The major food of the southern cassowary is insects, grass, and fungus. The female bird lays 8 to 10 big black eggs during the summer season. The eggs are incubated by the male bird for more than 50 days. The ostrich is the world's largest living bird. A mature ostrich can weigh up to 150 kilos and stand up to 6 feet tall. They also held the world records for the fastest land bird and the largest egg laid by any live bird. Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour thanks to their powerful legs. Africa is home to the flightless ostrich. Seeds, shrubs, fruits, flowers, and small insects are the principal sources of food for ostriches. Ostriches can survive for several days without water. They use their extremely long legs to attack predators. Ostriches are frequently found in groups of 10 to 50 birds. In a year, a female ostrich can lay up to 60 eggs. An ostrich egg may be up to 1.4 kilograms in weight and has a diameter of 5.1 inches. That's all for today. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming amazing content. Goodbye!